Hello, my brothers and sisters. This is Changkuoth Nyak speaking to you today with a heavy heart and a deep sense of concern for our people. As of this morning, May 28, 2025, fighting has broken out in Longchuk County between the South Sudan People Defense Forces, SSPDF, and the SPLA IO under the leadership of Dr. Riek Machar. This news is not just sad, it is painful, especially for those of us who know the cause of war, and it becomes even more troubling when you realize that this is happening in Longchuk, a county that belonged to the Nuer people, and one that was recently labeled by the government as hostile. That label alone was an insult to the people of Longchuk, and it was strongly condemned by the Nuer community. Now let me explain what has happened. A report from Longchuk, or the report coming from Longchuk County, they say that the clash began when a newly appointed commissioner sent by the South Sudan President Salva Kiir Mayardit arrived in area escorted by a heavily armed SSPDF force. Their mission to take over administrative control of Longchuk, which has long been under the governance of the SPLA IO under Dr. Riek Machar. Instead of engaging in dialogue or peaceful negotiation, this commissioner arrived with guns, soldiers, and intimidation, completely disregarding the people, their choice, and the fragile peace. Naturally, this provoked a reaction from SPLA IO forces in the area, who view this move as an attack, not just on territory, but on the sovereignty of their authority and the peace agreement that is supposed to be holding this country together. And here we are now, two army groups fighting again. Once more, it is the innocent civilians who are trapped in the middle. I don't know how many of them are safe right now. I don't know if they have managed to flee or if they are hiding in fear. As of now, no casualties have been reported, and I pray that it stays that way. But we all know how quickly things can escalate. My question is, why must our people continue to suffer because of careless political decisions? Why must peace agreement be ignored whenever someone wants power? We have seen enough bloodshed in South Sudan, and what hurts us the most is that this clash could have been avoided if there was respect, communication, and true commitment to peace. Labeling Nuer counties as hostile, sending commissioners with armies, and provoking violence, this is not the way to unite a country. It only deepens division, and as a son of the Nuer community, I cannot stay silent when our people are once again made victim in a political chess game. I call on all leaders, SSPDF, SPLA-IO, and the government of South Sudan to stop this madness before lives are lost. The lives of civilians are more important than your position. Let Longchuk be heard. Let the people decide who governs them, not through gun, but through dialogue and respect. To my fellow South Sudanese and the Nuer community around the world, stay strong, stay united, and raise your voice. We cannot afford to be silent anymore. May peace prevail in Longchuk and all across South Sudan. Thank you for watching, and may God bless our people. So please do not forget to support the channel so that I can be able to reach out to more people that can understand what is happening within our country and within our people. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.